everyone, it's Dave from Syncree's Training and Documentation, and I'm going to show you how to use Syncree to unify account records in HubSpot, Salesforce, and Google Sheets. With data unification, you'll create a single record in Syncree with the cleanest data possible, and you'll use it to update similar records in all your systems. So here's my account entity pipeline. As it stands, records will come in from the source synapses over here on the left and create records in the destination synapses, but it's not very smart. Data unification adds some smarts. So instead of blindly pushing records through a workflow, Syncree checks each record against what's in Syncree. If there's a match, Syncree only updates the differences. Let's start by deleting these connections. We're going to replace these momentarily. Okay, so the key to data unification is the attach record function. You can see it over here on the top right. Take a look at the help text and see that it says that it's used to attach an incoming record from the source synapse to an existing Syncree record according to your criteria. Basically, you tell Syncree which field makes this record unique, regardless of which synapse it came from. Now, the criteria depends on your pipelines, but it's typically domain, website, or account name, depending on which of these fields has the most consistent data in your synapses. I know in my synapse, the best field is website. So we're going to use website in this attach record function. So I'm going to drag this over here to HubSpot, connect HubSpot to it, line it up nice, and then we're going to connect it to the account entity. Okay, I'm going to then choose the function, click configure node. Okay, so as you can see, the left side here, this is the field in the Syncree account entity. So we talked about using the website field, so we're going to pull that up. We do have a website field in the Syncree account. The right side over here is the account, is the inbound record. So this is the external synapse, in this case, HubSpot. So we're going to choose equals and click the data token to find a website field in HubSpot. And they do have one, it's called website URL. It's exactly what we want. So we're going to click save. Okay. And then let's configure these other nodes. So we'll get another attached record, drag it over here for Google Sheets, and we'll connect the two, and we will connect that to the account pipeline. I'm going to double click this time to open it up. Look for website. Operator is equals, and we're going to look for a website field in the Google Sheet. It's got one. It's called website. Great. And then the last one we're going to do is for Salesforce. So let's grab this attach record here, bring it over here, connect it, and connect to the account entity. Double click to configure. Search for website. We've got it. Equals, and in Salesforce, the website field is called website. Great. And so we'll save that. So data unification on the account entity is now set up. So the next steps to get this data unification started are, one, we should validate, make sure that that works. Success, excellent. So after we validate it and make sure that this whole thing is working, we really want to publish this, and we want to start resyncing each synapse. We want to do that one at a time. By resyncing one at a time, you allow Syncree to kind of work through the unification on each synapse that comes through. That's it for now. Thanks.